All right, if you can hear me, because I can't hear you, I just have to go on with it as it is. Okay. So if you have drawings like this, you can see what I have here. I have an existing template here. These are all templates. So I rescale them. You can see they are not actually of the same size. Some of them are larger than the other. This is big, this is small. So you must learn how to rescale your drawings sometimes, or you rescale your template, your title block. Okay. So I usually like to make my title block in a block. You can see this title block is actually a block. There's what we call a block on AutoCAD. What that means is that it's going to make a whole lot of objects a single object. It's like bringing different objects all together into one single object. So you can see this is a block. While this is actually not a block, you can see these lines, I can delete them. Once I click on it, it's highlighted separately. But you can see these are actually all together. So any point I click on this title block will actually highlight everything for me. So I like to make this a block form, but you can as well make this a block as well. So if I highlight all of these, I'll highlight this, bring it outside, I can make this a block. All I need to do is just to type on block and I click on enter. I can give it a name, let's say O1, and then select the object. So I will highlight this and I'll click on enter. So, and I click on OK. Now you can see this has actually been made a block as well. So I usually like to make my work in a block form. All right. So let's see if I have some samples of drawings here. Yeah, sorry for that break. Okay, I was having some little difficulties. Okay. Sorry, I was having some difficulties. Okay. Um, okay. All right. So as I was saying, I can make that a block, which I just did. Um, you can see I have some drawings here. I can arrange them in block form. Sorry, in I can fix in those title blocks here. So all I need to do is just to copy. Let's say I copy this. I'm going to move these drawings to the side. Okay. Sorry. So I'll rescale the SC for scale. Enter. I click on it. I'll drag it down. I'll type 1.1. So just to increase it a little. Okay, now you can see that increment did not work perfectly. I can increase it again. Let's see. And I'll click on it and I'll drag down 1.1 and I enter. So I'll move this down a bit. So you can see that it has actually fit in to this drawing perfectly. Okay, I think the title of this is down. Let me drag it down a bit, a little. Good. So this is the foundation layout. You can see the section of the foundation base. Okay, so I can copy this as well too. So you can actually do the same thing for whatever you want to place this. Let's say I want to arrange this here as well. So type SC to scale. I want to make it bigger. 1 point, let's say 1. Okay. I'll copy this. Drag this down. Okay, let me give you a good example. Let's say in a case where I want to make this a bit title block smaller. You can see this is looking very, very, very big here. So I can just make this smaller. I type SC, I click here, I drag, I'll point, let's say 0.8. That is, I'm taking like 20% out of it. Okay. So this is actually the best way to fit in whatever your drawings is on uh, your title block. Okay, so let's say what is inside here, you just want to change this. Okay, you can see it's a proposed filling station development. Okay, so if I double click on this, if I double click on it, I'll click on OK to edit this. So whatever changes I'm making on this, it will take effect on all of it. Sorry, I can make it capital letter. Okay. Residential. So make it in upper cases. Okay, it's better. Residential development. So I'll save it. Okay, it's still loading. I don't know why it's taking so much time. Okay, so I will close the block editor. So it's actually still loading. Okay, great. Now, the good thing about this is you see that these changes that I made here, it has taken effect on all of this. Okay, so it actually makes your work much more easier and then faster.